Okay, so this is where I stopped last time. In the last video, I showed you how to navigate using the cd command. I showed you how to copy using the cp command, and I showed you what it meant, what is the relationship or the location of your Windows C drive and downloads folder from your Ubuntu home folder. So you can see that on the screen there. The last operation I carried out was to copy the zip file bors.zip from my Windows downloads folder into my Ubuntu home folder. After that, I type ls list and I get a list of files or folders in the location that I'm at. So it's bors.zip and test1. ls, you see it's right there. So now I will show you how to delete something. So mkdir was to create or make directory. This is the command that I used previously to make that folder test1. Similarly, rmdir is remove directory or folder. So rmdir test1, enter, and it's gone, deleted. Remember, unlike in Windows, Linux does not have a recycle bin. So once you remove or delete something, it is gone forever. So be careful when you use the remove or delete command. Similarly, when you don't have a directory, like for example, the file that stands there, bors.zip, I use rm minus f. So rm minus f is remove file, and then capital B, press tab, it'll autocomplete for you. So rm minus f bors.zip, enter, and it's gone. ls, now that file is also deleted. So we have learned the use of the command cd, which is to change directory, mv to move something, cp to copy something, mkdir to make a folder, rmdir to delete a folder, rm-f in order to remove a file. And finally, the last one I would like to show you in this video is echo $path. So echo space $path, enter. It'll give you a long list of items, but this is something that you'll understand the importance of this later. But through this command, you know the items that are readily available in your system path. So therefore, when you type something, a command, or look for an application, this is the area or the path. In Windows, it's called the environment variables. So any program or command that is you have saved yourself can be traced by the computer or the terminal if it is listed in this path. So most of your installations have been committed to /usr local or usr local bin or usr sbin. You see, those are the first 4 or 5 options or the paths that are listed. We can check this and also understand where our different packages are installed from the previous installations that you might have done for getting different packages. So you can use which GCC, which G++, which G Fortran. These are different compilers or programs that read different kinds of code. C programs are read by GCC and C++ by G++, Fortran codes by G Fortran, and so on. And finally, if you have parallelized codes like REEF3D, you need the MPI version of C++, and that is MPI CXX. So which command shows you the path of these? And you can see all of them are installed in /user/bin, which is kind of the third or fourth path that is listed when you use echo $path. So in this video, I've shown you the most important commands that you will be using as you work with Windows, Ubuntu, and you can go to this video again to look at how to change your location, move, copy, create directories, and remove a file. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I will show you how to install certain things for REEF3D.